So this platform actually called FINEXA. It is an investment platform. In today's video, I'm going to break down step-by-step guide how you can invest in this platform and earn high return profit back, right? So what you need to do is watch this video to the end and consider like this, will subscribe and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload new video about investment platform and ways to make money online, you'll be the first person you will see. Here's the brain finance, right? We talk about financial, right? So before we can dive in, we need to register on this platform. So to register, what you need to do is to check the link in the description section or the comment section of this video, right? So once you tap on the link, it will bring you to here. So here you will see a login and you will see register, right? So what you need to do, once you tap on register, a registration field will open. Then you enter your details. So here enter your email, right? Then enter email verification code. Once you enter your email, enter send an email, then enter the verification code here. So here enter your login password, confirm security password for withdrawal, and confirm the security password. So the invitation code also will be added to the link, right? So copy from the description or comment section of the video. After that, you tap on register. So after you tap on register, they will let you to log in, right? So after that, the login page will be like this, right? Then you enter your email, then you tap on login. So you can see it have login successful, right? So here, after you log in to your dashboard, what you need to do is to tap on register because you need to register before you can invest on this platform. And now each of this network has its fee, right? So the best network to use to recharge on this platform is for the PEP 20 USDT, right? After that, you copy your address, then you go into an exchange to send, right? So after you have your money in your wallet, we tap on loop. You can invest in the loop, you can invest in the saving box, right? So that is how it is. So the investment is just two. We have loop, the investment section is loop and saving box, right? So let me explain the saving box, right? So tap on saving box, right? So here, once you tap on the saving box, so here you enter saving, right? So once you enter saving, you can see income per 24 hours, right? So which means you are saving this my balance here, right? So every 24 hours your money will release bit by bit, right? Every 24 hours you get your money, but it is saving for you, right? So you can save your money here then and get return with high profit, right? That's how this also works, right? Because if you tap here, you can see what is saving box, right? You can see it is a pancake swap protocol based on blockchain technology similar to traditional banks, but most transparent and efficient. Users can deposit an asset into smart contract and earn stable daily return of 0.4% based on their choosing saving period, right? So you need to choose the saving period, then 0.4, right, will lead you. That's how the saving box works. The next thing we talk about is the loop, right? So me, I actually use the loop, right, because the loop is super good. So if you can see my balance, I have 16 USDT here. So for a loop, we have a duration here. We have 1 day, 3 days, 8 days, 15 days, 20 days, 28 days, up to 50 days, right? So each day has a range amount you need to use to invest, right? So you can see, so if you tap on 1 day, you can see 5 USDT to 15 USDT, right? That is the amount you can use for day 1, right? Day 3, you need 16 USDT to 50 USDT, right? So this the range amount you can use to invest for 3 days from 16 USDT to 51 USDT. And look at 8 days. So 8 days from 51 USDT to 200 USDT, right? Range amount you can use for 8 days, right? So we can check it out. All the duration 15 days, you need 201 to 600 USDT. So me, let's say I have 16 USDT. So let me tap 3 days. You can see from 16 USDT to 50 USDT. So for that, let me enter my monthly, which is max. You can see from the 16 USDT I will get 18 USDT, which is $2, right? So after that, then we type on buy, right? So it will add to an order, right? That will return for you after the 3 days. This 18 USDT will return. So you earn based on your money, right? Because here's how the percentage works. If you tap on the more section here, you can see profit introduction, right? So here you can see here are the breakdown of the percentage and the amount you use, you get your returns, right? So you can see a loop amount, right? So here is the root amount. From 5 USDT to 15 USDT day 1, you get 3% on it. 16 to 50 USDT 3 days, 4%. So that's how we can read more about it, right? So if you go back and check it, right, so we select for the 16 days, right? So let's tap on the amount, which is 3 days. Then we receive 18 USDT for after the 3 days. Then we tap on buy to add successfully. You can see transaction successful, right? You can see order completed, right? So you can see status 2 days, right? 23 hours 59 minutes and seconds is counting down. So the circulating is 3 days. So loop returns is 18 USDT, right? Which is very opportunity, right? You can see new opportunity for the true distribution blockchain. And can read more about FINEXA. So what is FINEXA? How does FINEXA make money? How does FINEXA work? So you can make your own personal research, but please keep this in your mind. This is not financial advice. Make your own personal research before you dive in, right? Because I'm not responsible for any risks. So yeah, that's how all it is. So if you want to check more about this platform, tap on activity zone. So here is activity zone. So here is a tax center. So invite 2 friends to join you, and if your friend deposits 50 USDT or more, this offer is valid indefinitely, right? So you earn $2, right? So this is subordinate, right? So you earn 10, right? 80, right? So each referral has amount you get. You can read more about it. So if you want to copy your referral code and referral link, is very simple. Tap on invite friend. Here you copy your code. You can check your team also here. Referral partners, you can check them here. So friends, address, and their statistics, and check about their white paper, their security audit, right, and more. So withdrawal option, if you want to withdraw, once you reach the minimum withdrawal, you come here. So here, so once your money returns after the period you selected, right, so your amount, your income will be appear here. Then you use the PEP20 as I recommend as a network minimum. You can see minimum withdrawal amount is 1 USDT, right? But switch to TRS20, you need around 50 USDT. That is high. That's why I said use PEP20 USDT. And one thing is interesting part in this platform, that zero fee, right, if you are depositing or withdrawing. So this is all about the FINEXA investing plan. That's how it is. So guys, this video was helpful. Consider like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I put new video about earning tips and investment platform like this, you'll be the first person you see. And I have a WhatsApp group and Telegram channel where we share a certain update like this instantly before it come on other social media platform, right? Because if the updates drop, that's the first play I post before I make a video to here, right? So the earlier you join, the higher chance of earning more. And I'll see you in the next one.